Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christian. Today we're going to be doing my natural hair wash day routine. I'm going to kind of explain what I do because it's kind of a short video, so I want you guys to get more of an idea. So every Sunday, this is what I do. I separate my hair into 4 sections. I detangle those sections with water and conditioner. I then shampoo it out. And then I twist my hair. And don't be like me, guys. Make sure you deep condition.
Now she's slanging things like a simian. All my life I wanted me an Indian, but now she's far away. But I had to know. Yeah, listen. I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. She was my heart. I don't know the tribe or the form. Yeah, but by default, she don't think of me. I thought she was an Indian, but now she's slanging things like a simian. All my life I wanted me an Indian. Ooh, girl, let me hear. Listen. In the street with a wedding ring, and she hit the box city bake. Are you down to cheat?